Hey guys, I hope you all are doing great and keeping up well with your health. Today we're going to be making an AR makeup effect in Spark AR. So a lot of you might have come across Instagram filters which make your skin look very flawless and that natural blush to your face and so that is exactly what we're going to do today. In addition to that, what we are also going to do is we're going to add a yellow or golden tint to our filter so that it gives a golden art look kind of a thing, kind of a look. So let's just get into it. And before that, I want to tell you that the tutorial is divided into three parts. So the first part is going to be the retouching part wherein you make your skin look flawless and smooth. The second part is going to be the makeup part wherein you add that natural blush, lip color and freckles and all of that. And the third part is where you add the golden tint. So let's just move to the first part very quickly. So this is your camera, and in the focal length, I'm going to right click and add an object called the face tracker. So this is where you will be working. So face tracker, I'll add another object which is called the face mesh. So as you can see that it is very cleverly noticing my face movements. It can notice my eyebrows, my eyes, my mouth and all of that. So कभी भी कुछ भी ऑब्जेक्ट बनेगा you will create a material, ठीक है, for it. So I'm going to rename this material to retouch, and every material has a shader type. So for this we are going to give this retouching shader type retouching. So you can keep it any value you like. So I'm not going to keep it 100 because मुझे वो Oppo Vivo वाला effect नहीं चाहिए. So I'll just keep it as sweet 60 or 50, I think. Yeah, I think 40 to 50 looks good to me. So we are already done with the retouching part. Now to the face tracker, we're going to add another face mesh. Now this is where you'll work with the makeup part. So add another material and rename this as makeup so that you know what you are using this for. So name your materials very cleverly so that when you work on that project next time, you don't confuse yourself. So shader type will be face paint. So this is where the game starts now. So you can play around with these elements. It is very subjective. So it depends upon how bright do you want your makeup to look. So I think this looks good to me. And the brightness is also good at 60, 70s. So, okay, so now what Spark AR does is Spark AR provides us a texture file folder actually, which has all the assets we need to do the designing part. Okay, so I'm going to search Spark AR face reference assets. So this link redirects you to the Spark AR website, and this is the first thing you'll get, and you can download your your assets from this. So so as you can see, these are downloaded. I'll quickly extract them all. So okay, so I wanted to show this to you. So as you can see, this is the face mesh we are going to be working on. So this has all the eyebrows, eyes, lips, and all of that part. So this is what we'll be working on. So let's just close this for now and add the texture. So new texture, right? So new texture, face assets, texture, and face mesh trackers. Very cleverly, it has tracked all my face. So I have a little larger forehead, so ignore that. So it's very cleverly tracking all of my movements. As you can see, the dots are moving within my eyebrows, the eye movements and the lip movements. So it can track it all. Now, using this, we are going to design our blush, lip color, and freckles. So these are the three things we'll be doing in this tutorial. Although you can play around with with your creativity. So if you are not new to designing and you already know how to design things, you can definitely go with Photoshop. It's a great resource. But since this is a very beginner friendly tutorial, and I am also new to design, so I'm going to be using a website called pixlr.com. So add your face mesh trackers wala image over here and create new. So this is the image. Now since this is a PNG image, तो पीछे कोई background नहीं है, but for the designing part, you can add the background and we can deselect it later, right? So designing में क्या होता है यार, layers होती है, ठीक है? So there are layers of designs. So the first layer is the image we added. Now if अगर हम यहीं पे डिजाइनिंग कर देंगे ना यार, तो वो हमारी ऐसी इमेज डाउनलोड हो जाएगी. Now obviously we do not want these lines and dots on our filter, right? So हम एक नई layer create करेंगे, and using the first layer we'll design our second layer, right? Now let's just extend this part. Okay, looks good to me. So we are going to be working in 1 second. Okay, so there was some confusion. So let's just redo the designing part. So we've added a background for now, and we've added this image. So designing में यार ये होता है कि you work in layers, right? And you can disable your layers whenever you want. So we're gonna add an empty layer. Now, if we work on the background layer, तो यहीं पे designing हो जाएगी, and it will download all the lines and dots with the blush part, right? So we'll work on level 2. Don't do this mistake. Always choose the layer before you start working. So see, whenever we disable this layer, background layer, we have that layer 2. Okay. So for now, since we do drawing, we need that layer. So let's just work with the blush. So we want the brush size to be around 300 to 400, since we're not going to do it again and again. And the transparency to be around 30, right? So let's just keep the blush around pink and red. But okay, I already searched the colors, right? So Color Hunt is an amazing, so these are some of the resources. Color Hunt is an amazing website. Okay, you can use it for all the color codes you want. So I like this color. I'll just copy it quickly and I use it here, right? So this gives me a very light color. Yeah, this is my type of color. Okay, and make sure you only touch the brush once, because whenever you extract this is going to look very dark on your face. So keep that in mind and only use the brush only once. Spread that a little bit. Okay, we're done with the blush already. Now let's just add some freckles. So this bilkul red, and I think this is a good color. Make your brush size around 10 pixels. Yeah, I think 7 is a good number. And transparency 100. So I hope the freckles are visible to you, or I think I should make them a little darker. Yeah, okay. So the issue was with the transparency. I hope the freckles are now visible to you. I like it very subtle, so I'm not going to do much. Although you can play around with your creativity and add whatever element you like. Okay. So that is it. Now let's just add some lip color between reds and yellows. I think this looks good to me. Okay. Okay, so the brush size again, we're going to increase. 100 is a good number. Okay. Okay, थोड़ा बड़ा हो गया. And the transparency is also a little too much for me. Yeah. So work within the dots if possible, and even if it's a little messy, don't worry. Filter में ज़्यादा पता नहीं चलता, but try to be as neat as possible. Okay. So that's pretty much it about the lip color. So that is what our blush and lip color looks like. I think we need to work on the lipstick, right? Better. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. And we're gonna save this image. High quality PNG image. Oh yeah, we forgot to disable the background, right? Now is the real image. Save PNG and no. So we have the face mesh trackers key new image. And we're going to return to our platform. And now we're going to change the texture. Okay. New texture. And downloads. Okay. So that's how your makeup looks right now. I think the lipstick is a little darker, so you can walk around with your colors. So that is how the makeup looks, and we're done with the makeup part as well. Now we're going to work with the yellow tint part. Okay. So for that, you need to add to the focal distance a canvas. ठीक है, एक canvas add करेंगे. Since we want it in the whole background, we need to add a canvas, and in that canvas we're gonna add a rectangular object. ठीक है. So I hope that's visible to you कि ये अभी कैसा दिख रहा है. Now अब हमें इतने से पार्ट में तो येलो नहीं चाहिए, so we're just gonna fill it to the width and height, and this is how it looks right now. Okay. So now इसका जो शेडर होगा, ओके वी नीड टू ऐड अ मटेरियल सबसे पहले. सो आई फॉरगॉट कि जब भी नया ऑब्जेक्ट बनता है तो नया मटेरियल बनता है. रीनेम दिस एज टिंट एंड शेडर टाइप होगा इसका फ्लैट. आई होप दिस मेक्स सेंस नाउ. ठीक है. सो नाउ द शेडर टाइप इज फ्लैट, एंड नाउ व्हाट वी गोना डू इज इसकी ओपेसिटी 100 होगी, and color ko we are changing. So I'll search for some goldenish color. I already did golden yellow color code. So it shows us FFDF00. Okay, don't worry, trust the process. This is going to be looking nice. Okay, I look like a ghost right now. अभी इसको इतना ही रखते हैं. Now to fill it in my face as well, what we're going to do is हम कैमरा में जाएंगे एंड इधर हम एक टेक्सचर एक्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे. तो हर कैमरा में एक टेक्सचर होता है. सो नाउ वी हैव द टेक्सचर. तो हम इस टिंट वाले मटेरियल पे जाएंगे और इसका टेक्सचर हम कैमरा टेक्सचर चूज करेंगे. सो आई होप दिस लुक्स अ लिटिल बेटर नाउ. नाउ टू ऐड इट टू द फेस एज वेल, इसके यहाँ पे एक एडवांस्ड रेंडर ऑप्शंस होंगे. यू हैव टू deselect, use depth test and write to depth, and this is how it looks right now. So I think you can work around with the colors yourself, since I'm not very good at colors, and the opacity as well. So yeah, and I think we can make the color a little better. This is a good color. Now it gives the golden arva look. So that is how my filter looks. That is the final look of my filter, and I hope you like it. Lipstick का color थोड़ा light रखना यार. And that's pretty much